Take a look at a roaring campfire, a rusting piece of iron, and the rhythmic rise and fall of your own chest. What do they have in common? They are all being consumed by the exact same invisible force. It is the third most abundant element in the universe, a furious chemical scavenger, and the ultimate spark of life. Without it, the Earth would be a dead, silent rock. This is oxygen. Sitting proudly at atomic number 8, it is universally recognized by the chemical symbol O. You'll find it in Group 16 and Period 2 of the periodic table, officially classified as a highly reactive nonmetal. It is the undisputed heavyweight champion of making chemical reactions happen. To understand its power, we have to look inside. An oxygen atom features a core of 8 protons and 8 neutrons, orbited by 8 electrons. But the secret to its aggressive nature lies in its outer shell, which holds exactly 6 valence electrons. To reach perfect atomic stability, oxygen desperately needs 2 more. This insatiable hunger for electrons makes it bond furiously with almost every other element on the periodic table, usually pairing up with a twin to form the stable, life-giving diatomic molecule. At standard room temperature, oxygen is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless gas. But cool it down to a bitterly cold -183 degrees Celsius, and it condenses into a beautiful, pale blue liquid. Chemically, oxygen is famous for one thing: oxidation. When it reacts slowly with metals, we call it rust. When it reacts rapidly, releasing heat and light, we call it fire. Oxygen itself doesn't actually burn, but it is the crucial ingredient that makes everything else burn. The discovery of oxygen was a messy, competitive race. In the 1770s, Swedish pharmacist Carl Wilhelm Scheele and British clergyman Joseph Priestley independently discovered the gas. Priestley famously heated red mercuric oxide with a magnifying glass and noticed that a candle burned incredibly bright in the resulting gas. Antoine Lavoisier, he named it oxygen. In the modern world, oxygen's applications are massive. In the steel industry, a supersonic blast of pure oxygen is blown through molten iron to burn away impurities, creating the high-strength steel that builds our cities. In the aerospace sector, chilling it into liquid oxygen, or LOX, provides the extreme oxidative power needed to launch massive rockets into orbit. And in hospitals worldwide, purified oxygen is a critical, life-saving medicine for patients in respiratory distress. Biologically, oxygen is the fuel for the engine of complex life. Through cellular respiration, our bodies use it to break down food and generate energy. But it has a dark side. Too much pure oxygen can cause oxygen toxicity, creating free radicals that damage our cells. Environmentally, oxygen is our global shield. High in the stratosphere, 3 oxygen atoms bind together to form ozone, O3, creating a vital layer that absorbs the sun's lethal ultraviolet radiation. Unlike oil or rare earth metals, oxygen isn't mined from the ground. It's harvested directly from the sky. The global industrial gas market relies on massive cryogenic air separation plants to freeze and distill pure oxygen from the atmosphere. Because it is so heavily used in manufacturing, metallurgy, and healthcare, a country's ability to produce and transport industrial oxygen is a major indicator of its economic and medical infrastructure, as the world painfully learned during recent global health crises. As humanity looks to the stars, oxygen is our biggest hurdle and our greatest focus. Space agencies are developing advanced technologies, like the MOXIE device on the Mars Perseverance rover, to literally manufacture breathable oxygen out of the thin, carbon dioxide-rich Martian atmosphere. Mastering the ability to generate oxygen off-world isn't just a science experiment. It is the mandatory first step for human colonization of the solar system. From the rust on a forgotten shipwreck to the fiery thrust of a rocket engine, oxygen is the great transformer. It is the breath in our lungs, the shield in our sky, and the relentless chemical fire that powers the modern world. The next element protects your teeth every day, Fluorine.